Today, we'll create an end-to-end shipping discount on the Kite app. First, we set the promotion name. Here you'll find the eligibility rules. These are the conditions under which the shipping discount would be applied, such as based on a subtotal, cart quantity, or a specific product. There are multiple options available. Scroll down and you'll see the delivery rules. These rules apply under specific conditions, such as when an order contains a standard delivery method to apply the discount to like standard or express. For the moment, we'll leave it as it is. If you scroll down, you'll find the discount setting. You have two options here. Either a fixed discount or a percentage discount. We set it up as 100% free shipping. Note that there are combinations here, so ensure it's turned on. This way, if you create any Shopify discount, it will combine and work according to your requirements. Next, consider where you want to display this widget. This will depend on your store's needs. For now, we'll set it up on the cart page and the side cart. This is how the widget appears. You can also customize the look of the widget to your liking, including the widget styling, font size, color size, and body size. On the left side, you can edit the text you want to display. Once you're satisfied, hit Save. Let's now see how it looks on a test store. We'll proceed to view the test store. Let's test this on my store. I'll navigate to the side cart. As you can see, we've set a minimum amount of $400 for free shipping. If the cart total exceeds this amount, free shipping is automatically applied. That's how free shipping generally works. But what if you want to offer free shipping through a manually entered code? That's also possible. In the discount section, you can set up a manual discount. The name of your promotion becomes the discount code once you set it to manual. After setting this up, let's go back to the store and proceed to checkout. Here, you'll notice a box for entering a discount code. I'll paste the promotion name here, which serves as my code. Upon applying this code, you'll see that free shipping is applied. Connect with us if you have any doubts. Thank you.